So in this problem we want to integrate from 0 to 1 x to the 10th times 1 plus x to the 11th all to the 10th. This is rather complex, so we're going to have to use a u substitution. If we let u be the kind of inside function here, I'm going to go with 1 plus x to the 11th because all of that is being raised to the 10th power right here. So then differentiating that, derivative of 1 is 0, so we get 11 times x to the 10th dx. So if we want to convert this from x's to u's, we've got to also convert the dx to du. To do that, we need an 11, an x to the 10th, and a dx. Now the x to the 10th and the dx are already there, but we don't have this 11. So we're going to have to multiply in an 11 into the problem. But if we do that, we also have to divide by 11. So I'm going to put a 1 over 11 out front and an 11 right there, so I'm not really changing the integral at all. Okay, we're still in x's, so I'm still going to write from 0 to 1. Okay, now the 11x to the 10th and the dx all become du, and the part inside the parentheses, 1 plus x to the 11th, will become u. Now when we convert this to u's, we also have to convert these x values to u values, because this means from x equals 0 to x equals 1. So let's do that real quick. When x is 0, that one's straightforward. 0 to the 11th is 0 plus 1, u is 1. And when x is the upper limit here, 1 to the 11th is 1, plus 1 is 2. So u is just 2 there. Okay, so now we can go ahead and convert the whole thing. The 1 over 11 stays out front. My 11x to the 10th dx all becomes du, but I'll put that out at the end. And then 1 plus x to the 11th is u to the 10th. And my new limits of integration are from u equals 1 to 2. Okay, so now we can integrate like normal. So we have a 1 over 11th out front. And then the integral of x to the or u to the 10th is 1 over 11. U to the 11th, evaluated from 1 to 2. Multiplying those together becomes 1 over 121 times u to the 11th from 1 to 2. So 1 over 121 times 2 to the 11th minus 1 to the 11th. So say 2 to the power of 11 is 2048 minus 1 is 2047. So we get 2047 over 121. I'm just using a handheld calculator to see if that reduces at all. And it does not. So that's our final answer, 2047 over 121.